God! Wala siyang tusok feels. Oh, it's gonna be my first time to try them. This is not sponsored. Oh, it's so easy. Oh, it's cute! I thought super laki niya. So cute! Ito. May nakaangat agad sa tilo. Tanggal. So natanggal na talaga siya. Ayan, dito na fold. Ayan, nakikita niyo ba? I think dun sa net to. Sa net. Kasi Real Techniques. These are the brushes. May black something. There's also one. Kasi feeling ko yun yung mga natutusok feels. So, yes, I can see many. Now, let's compare the bristles. Real Techniques, I can see now, mas malalaki yung bristles niya compared dito. I think I'll use this one. Ooh. Oh my God! Wala siyang tusok feels. I swear. I can't feel any tusok. I swear. Right now, super sensitive ng skin ko kasi I use retinol. And so far, wala akong nafe-feel na pain. Love it. I think I love the tilo na agad. First impression, I love it. It's super fine. No tusok feels. This is the Real Techniques. Okay. Oh my God! May tusok feels. I can feel the tusok. Wait, try again. OMG, tilo. It's so amazing. And for the Real Technique, may tusok talaga siya. Hindi naman siya yung laging may tusok, pero bigla lang. Inano ko lang sila ng tissue. I'm so impressed with tilo. It's my first time to try brush na walang tusok. Sa buong buhay ko. No tusok at all, I swear. Let me check the Real Techniques. Okay, may natusok. Oh, yun. Natusok na naman ako. Hindi siya yung lagi may tusok ha. Hindi naman consistent yung tusok. May tusok feels talaga siya. Ayun no. Sakit. For the conclusion, for me, as a person with sensitive skin, with eczema-prone skin, na gumagamit ng mga strong na mga skincare products, I find Real Techniques na may tusok-tusok effects sa skin ko, while the tilo, wala. It's so smooth, it's consistent. Ito naman, hindi siya laging may tusok. Sometimes meron, sometimes wala. For the price of 1,000 plus, this is worth it for me. While this one, for 800 something, okay na din kasi marami din naman siya. So, what do you guys think? Are you going to buy the Real Techniques or the tilo?